Hi guys, today we'll be doing a hair tutorial and an unboxing with this new hair tool that I got. So yeah, if you would like to see how this tool works, just keep watching. Today I will be unboxing with you. It's a hair tool. It's called the, I will be unboxing this with you because it's the first time I will be using it, and then I'll be doing my hair with it so you can see how it looks like. So yeah, and this one's the, what is it, the waver. That one that makes like your hair like, I don't know how you would call that style, but makes it wavy. So it looks like this, the box. And I just want to open it, see how it looks like. This is what it looks like. Comes in bubble wrap. So it's my first time using this, but it comes in bubble wrap, and it also comes with the glove. Comes with the glove that I'll probably never use because my wands also come with the glove that I never use. And yeah, I got it because I remember I had one like years ago. I had one and then I don't know what happened to it, but I mean, this hairstyle, it's back. And I always liked it, so I just didn't have one of these anymore to do it. So I'm gonna start doing it again. And it looks like this. Pink, nice. Okay, so let me just go ahead and plug it in. But yeah, I saw this one. Well, I was seeing it in different ads on Instagram, but then I knew like 𝐏𝐑𝐃𝐈𝐀 had a code for it, so I said, might as well let's get it. So like my other hair tutorials that I've done, you guys know I like to use this. I spray it all over my hair, and I just do that with, and I'm gonna put when I'm gonna use any type of like heating tool in my hair, I use this first. I spray it over my hair, and I just part it like this. That's why it looks kind of funny right now. And then I start doing my hair. And I usually start from the bottom up. I know I've seen girls that they started from the top with this one. I've seen them do that a lot, like, but it's just me. I always start my hair from the bottom up, so that's how I'll be doing this. And I'll try to use a glove to show you guys how it works, but in all honesty, I doubt that I'll ever use it besides now. So it's just the only reason why I don't use them is because I find that they're slippery. I feel that they're slippery, so I just try to be very careful, not like burn my fingers. But I find that they're very slippery, and I feel like they get in the way, honestly, so that's why I don't use them. Okay, it comes with the little, I guess, instructions thing. It tells you step by step how to do it, but it even says to add protectant spray, which I already did. I always do, so yeah. And then it just basically tells you step by step how to use it. Like, clump the hair starting 2 to 3 inches away from your roots and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. But like I told you guys, I've used this tool before, so I have an idea of how to use it. I just want to see how this one, particularly this one, works, because I've seen it like everywhere, so I want to see how it works. So let's leave it there for a couple of seconds. beautiful. I love it. It looks really cute. So how I told you guys, it's really slippery. Like I feel like this thing slipping from my hand when I'm using it. So I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this glove because it's really annoying. I don't like using them. But I mean, if you do need it, use it because it's supposed to protect you so you won't get burned. So yeah. But we're gonna keep going like this. Get this little chunk right here, and then we'll probably speed up the rest. And once I'm up to the top, I'll come back to let you guys know like my thoughts on how this looks, because I am loving it. Okay guys, this is the completed hair tutorial. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the back. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions regarding this hair tool or just anything in general. So see you in the next one. Bye.